Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the H9 Pro Max and putting it in pairing mode. Press and hold the main button until the icon flashes. On your phone, open Bluetooth and the companion app, then grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can find the watch. Once the app lists devices, tap H9 Pro Max to begin. Do this now to avoid delays because the watch's pairing window often times out quickly if left idle. Once the phone and watch exchange a PIN, you confirm the code on both devices. This secures the link and prevents accidental pairing with nearby gadgets. Then, allow notification access and health data sync so steps, heart rate, and alerts flow to the app. Make sure to set time zone and units in the app, otherwise step counts and alarms may be offset. After you save settings, let the initial sync finish. It may take 1 to 3 minutes. Finish by testing a call, a notification, and a short activity like a walk to confirm data syncs in real time. This proves both connection and sensor function. If something fails, restart the phone and watch, then reconnect. Oftentimes, a simple reboot clears Bluetooth storms. If problems persist, check app permissions, disable battery optimization for the app, and update the watch firmware. These steps fix most issues and ensure stable, long-term pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.